Not a bad spot. Alright, hello again. We are back and we've got some updates. What we've been doing, we've done some more work on the water. If you remember last episode, I mentioned about there being a potential blockage and the fact that we might have to repipe the whole thing. Well, that's what we did. We thought instead of having to dig it all up and try and find a blockage, then there potentially being another blockage down the line, we thought we'd save the time. We didn't have any spare piping, unfortunately, but it wasn't too expensive. So we went out, bought some piping, and managed to get that all connected. So on the agenda, I'd like to get some painting done. So for the walls, we don't really want to clean everything, so we thought we'd just paint over it. Obviously that's not the final thing we're aiming for. We're wanting to panel everything with some of the beautiful wood we've got around here. So that's the eventual plan. What else? Well, I started mowing the grass behind the house until that was the strim gave out. So that was an unfortunate thing. I got a lot of it done, but not all of it. So might finish that today, and also maybe start washing the deck. Do some power washing. Oh, hello, Tassie. So yeah, if you haven't noticed already, Scarlett isn't here today. She's at work. So it's just me, the pups. Come here, Tassie. Come here. Hello, Maggie. Yeah, he's a good girl. Yeah, so it's just me, the pups, and Edith as well. So we'll see how much we can get done. And yeah, we'll see you down there. Right. Okay, first things first, before I start painting, I'm going to try and knock out the rest of this panel here. And then hopefully start painting. Edith is outside, being an angel, doing the rest of the lawn, which should make that look good. Alright, let's crack on. Well, there's a good majority of it. There's a bit behind the stairs that's not cooperating, but that's most of that damn panelling gone, so that's good. Right, time to paint. Okay, it is the next day, and Scarlett has returned.
I'm back!
Back from work and ready to get stuck in.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, so yesterday I didn't really get as much done as I would have liked to. I didn't really get anything finished, which was a bit annoying.
Yeah, but you started several jobs.
Yeah.
So you're still getting stuff done.
Yeah. But I at least would have liked to get the garden done, but the mower's electric and it ran out of battery, so
Nothing you can do about that.
hey ho. Yeah, as you can see, I've started the painting. It needs another coat and a lot of touch-ups, but it's starting to
take shape.
Yeah, well, look a bit cleaner at least. So that'd be good. What else? We didn't get to do any of the pressure washing because couldn't find a hose of any kind.
So that's one job today, is find a hose.
If we can do that, that'd be brilliant. Start cleaning the deck.
Yeah.
If we can't, there's plenty of painting to do, so it'll just be a lot of painting.
Yay!
Alright, let's get stuck in.
Woo!
The
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, so we thought we'd wrap things up whilst we've still got some light and the camera's dying. So
Yeah.
we've finally found a hose, so we've managed to make a start on
Woo!
the pressure wash, which is awesome.
It's very satisfying.
We've got a lot of the painting done today.
Yeah.
Um,
Most of it's well, a lot of it's gone on us, but most of it's gone on the walls.
Yeah, it needs some more
Coats.
coats. That's the word.
But we've got good foundation happening, so
Yeah,
we're making good progress.
It's starting to look.
It's been a successful day, I think.
Starting to look good.
Yeah.
Obviously not the final product, but it's just nice to have a clean room and
We're getting there.
get a nice idea of. Makes it easier to think what we want in there.
Yeah, it makes it look a lot more clean and a lot less just,
Yeah.
like a shed.
We'll give you a nice preview of what we've done with the deck and the paint at the start of the next video, I'm sure. But for now, that'll do. You'll have to wait till then.
Yeah, that's us done.
All right. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Yeah.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.